welcome. I am continuing my winter and holiday themed videos with a tutorial on how to make homemade DIY trees. If you find the video too fast, just click on the instructional video for directions on how to slow it down. Today I will be showing you how to make these stunning trees. I'm using this beautiful Alumilite copper metallic powder on the first tree, but any mica may be used. To start, turn the mold inside out so you're able to get in all of the mold creases. Then you're going to want to dip the brush into the mica and just brush the dry mica over the entire inside of the mold. Continue until the entire mold is covered. On the second tree, I wanted to create an ombre effect, so I used different shades of green from dark to light, using the same method as before, just painting each color in a ribbon along the mold until the entire mold was painted. For this final mold, I'm using Cast Magic Goldfinger for the tree top and Alumilite Gold Metallic Powder for the base, using the same process as mentioned before. I almost forgot to mention, this is a great first-time DIY resin project. It's one of the first ones I ever did when I started working with resin. Once you've finished painting the inside of the molds, just be sure to turn the molds right side out and mix about 8 ounces of fast cast or any other type of casting resin and fill each mold. This casting resin only takes about 15 or 20 minutes to set, but I usually wait about an hour to demold because it gets so hot while it's curing, it's hard to demold right away, or for me at least it's hard. Once the resin is cured, demold the trees and display them with your holiday decor, or you can give them to another as a unique gift. Here's a final view of the product. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell to be alerted to future videos.